Hello, and welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation. I'm Kevin Pond, and I meditate every day. I have done for years. It's my way of helping to manage my stress levels by taking a time out to quieten my mind and relax my body. But can I let you in on a little secret? Every single time I meditate, I never really feel like I'm doing it right. And that's really common amongst meditators. But the truth is, there really is no right or wrong. It's just the very act of trying that matters. So come with me on this journey. Let's give it a try. We'll do our best. And rest assured, at the end of these 10 minutes, we'll be a little better off than we are right now. So just get yourself comfortable. Sit in your favorite position. If your spine's fairly straight, that's helpful. But really, just make sure you're comfortable and ready to relax. Sometimes I even try a little smile and thank myself for getting started. Then begin with a few deep breaths. I like to breathe in through my nose, feeling my belly expand, holding for a moment, and then breathe out through the mouth with a nice long exhale, or whatever feels comfortable to you. Repeat that a few times, in your own time. There's no rush. Enjoy the sensation of simply breathing, nice and deep. As you breathe out, you might choose to let any tension you're holding just gradually melt away. Good. And then you can relax your breathing. No more controlling it. Just let it return to its natural rhythm. Okay, we're going to practice a little bit of mindfulness now. And by that, I mean we'll put our attention very gently on a few different things. We're going to notice them just as they are, without judging or labeling them as good or bad. To begin with, what can you hear? Are there any sounds nearby, or sounds in the distance? Loud sounds or quiet sounds? Begin to tune in to what you can hear. All of the different sounds around you. Just notice what you can hear without any judgment. Really listen, breathe, and relax. And let's do that for 30 seconds. Good. Now bring your attention inward, to your breathing, your natural breathing. Begin to follow your breath in and follow your breath out. Don't control it, don't judge it. Just put your attention on your breath. Notice it as it flows in. Notice it as it flows out. Can you feel it in your nose or your throat? Can you maybe feel your belly rising and falling? Just notice your breath for 30 seconds. Good. Now bring your attention to your body, feeling your physical presence. Maybe you can feel the pressure between you and what you're sitting on. Or maybe your attention is drawn to your hands or your feet. There's no right or wrong here. Maybe you'll focus on one part of yourself, or you could pass your attention up and down your body. Just notice yourself. No judgment. Just gentle, relaxed attention. Do that for 30 seconds. Very good. Now, as we continue, let's turn our focused attention to our thoughts. Sitting here with eyes closed, it's very natural for the mind to wander. That's just what the mind does. But invite yourself within, inside your mind, inside yourself. And as you breathe calmly and relax, without trying too hard, just see if you can keep your attention on your thoughts as they come and as they go. It's okay if you need to do this again and again. It's all part of the process. Be patient and be kind with yourself. Observe your thoughts and try not to engage with them too much. You could imagine that they're like leaves floating down a stream. You notice them and you let them drift on by. Let's take a whole 1 minute now to do just that. Good, well done. Now you can begin to bring your attention back to you. Maybe gently wiggling your fingers and toes, taking a deep breath, letting it go, and then slowly blinking your eyes open and allowing the space you're in to come back into focus. Take your time. Move slowly and notice the space around you. Does it feel the same as it did 10 minutes ago? And do you feel the same, or are there any little differences you can notice? Thank you for taking this time to meditate with me. And I'm sending you peace. And I'm sending you love. And I'm sending you happiness for the rest of your day.